So good afternoon, Vishwa. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, Sitara. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So I wanted to ask you because during COVID, everybody has started working from home, and what we want to know is in Agilisium how the delivery team is how they feel about work from home and how they're managing their work and what the scenario will look like if they go back to the office after this. This is what I wanted to ask. So so first question I want to ask is what is your day-to-day job basically like? What is it that you do in the delivery team?
So I take care of delivery for an. Apart from that, I have my own task to do in data engineering and data science part. So, but predominantly I take care of delivery from offshore point of view.
So is your job more technical oriented or people oriented?
Both 50-50. I have
So
to
it
deal
is.
with people as well as I have my own technical stuff.
I see. So how do you feel about working from home so far? What are the benefits that you have experienced when working from home and the disadvantages also? Like how is it compared to the office?
So what I feel is there are more advantages from in work from home. That's all I feel because I get more family time. I don't have to spend time on travel, and I get a more me time. Uh, but I do miss office a bit. So at once in a fortnight or so, if there is office visit or a get together in office, that would really benefit. Now that they have moved, we have changed teams. A few of the members we haven't seen at all. They have joined newly, and then we just get to interact over phone or over a video call. But having them in person, sitting next to us, and then doing the job together, that's a whole different level. But that being said, I personally I enjoyed work from home, but the only problem I feel in work from home is we don't have a timeline like in office, right? We have a set timeline. Like morning we go in, evening we clock out, and then we don't touch uh, our laptops. Only if there is any production issue or anything that is very important, we kind of get into it. But in case of work from home, that has the boundary is like uh, I don't think there is a boundary between work and life. I mean work and personal life. But yeah, that being said, we have time for ourselves, and then I can take care of multiple stuffs at home as well. So that's good in one way.
I see. So I would say, like, what you're saying, the biggest problem is in work from home is the line between personal life and work life that has become blurred now.
Correct. Right.
And also, the fact that you cannot see the new joinees at the office, that has impacted communication.
I wouldn't say it has impacted communication, but I feel that the personal touch is missing. So if you have now it's purely on the work basis. We don't get to know personally the person who we are interacting. It's just that work which is being assigned, and then any stuff related to work that we discuss, rather than nothing personal, or we don't crack jokes on a meeting and stuff, right? So, but when people are nearby, we kind of have fun together. So that's the missing part. I wouldn't say there is a issue with communication, but yeah, we're missing the office environment. That's what I'm.
So the sense of friendship with your coworkers has greatly reduced
Yeah,
since working from home.
yeah. To the
Yeah, that is
to the new workers.
understandable.
Yeah, new workers. I mean, old workers. Anyway, we get in touch. We are in groups and WhatsApp groups, and then we discuss things. But yeah, new people, we get to miss that.
Yeah, I see. So, how would you say your productivity has been after working from home? Has it increased or decreased?
I think it has increased to a great deal. From what I see is people they know what they have to do, and then they plan things accordingly. Uh, there are few other aspects in office that something comes up. Now we have more time specific to work, and then I think the 8 hours that we spend in office, I think that has become 10 hours or so, and then But we don't see that anyway. We spend time to close to 1 hour in travel as well. So that has come into the picture, and then productivity has improved. I think most of the teams would echo what thinking. So yeah, productivity has increased.
That's great. You're much more productive when working from home than in the office, I would say.
Yeah, definitely.
So, like in the event, like when the pandemic when the situation calms down and we return to a hybrid office model, would you prefer to more work from home or more work from the office, or would you prefer an equal scenario?
See, there are two parts to it, right? So if the team is more of a youngster driven or more of a fresher driven, then more work from office would be beneficial because they need more support, and then they would need more uh, uh, people to kind of help them with. But if in case of a experienced group like NBC, I think we are good with work from home. I think people who are married and have kids, and then people working from home would benefit them to great deal.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. For freshers and for people with I would say less than 5 years experience in work, working in the office is a much better environment. Whereas for like all your experienced people, it's better to work from home because especially if you have a family, then you really need to spend time with them.
Right, right. Now that we have been spending time with them like 2 years now, right? So that's the expectation that we have been setting up to them. So I think people with newborns, and then it was a tremendous help for them. And then even people with below 5 years of age, they had spent quality time with their parents, and then that's what they will be expecting in future as well. So yeah.
Yeah, keeping it up, and that was missing pre-pandemic.
Yeah, definitely. But we didn't know that it was missing at all. Only when pandemic started and we kind of came to know that so much we can spend with the kid, that's when we realized that what we were missing.
Yeah, the cat has tasted the milk; it can't have water anymore.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah. So let's hope that things get better, if you can continue work from home, it would also be good for you. And when the times when and if we get a younger crowd, let's hope that we can go to the office to meet them.
Definitely, definitely. That's why I mentioned like once in a fortnight or once in 10 days, if there's a meetup, and then that would be great. Or yeah, that's what I was thinking. Or else if it is like once in 2 weeks or so, that's also great. Yeah. But yeah, that is the call that needs to be taken based on the project and then the crowd that we have in the project.
Absolutely, absolutely. It was great having this interview with you, Vishwa. Let's hope we can all take care and be safe and get everything done.
Definitely. Thanks, Sitara. It was nice talking to you. Take care, stay safe, have fun.
Yes, have a good day, Vishwa.
Thank you. Bye bye.